This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Christmas journal. Begin by choosing a sturdy blank notebook, perhaps one with 20 to 30 pages. Gather some fine point pens, a reliable glue stick, and various decorative papers like scrapbook sheets or even old holiday cards. Small stickers and washi tape in festive colors will add extra sparkle and charm. This initial collection forms the essential foundation for your unique festive keepsake. Structure your journal to make it easy to navigate throughout the season. You might dedicate the first 5 pages to your gift list and budgeting, then add sections for memorable events. Consider separate pages for baking recipes, card lists, or reflections on special moments. This organization helps you capture every detail and makes recalling memories much simpler later on. Now, let's make your journal truly yours with delightful embellishments. Attach small photographs of family and friends or paste in ticket stubs from holiday events. Use rubber stamps with festive designs and colorful inks. Layer different patterns of washi tape to create borders or dividers. Remember, there are no strict rules. Let your creativity guide you. Keep your journal a joy, not a chore, by making frequent, brief entries. Even writing just 2 or 3 sentences each day can capture significant moments. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on the authenticity of your experience. This practice creates a valuable record, offering a heartwarming look back at your holiday celebrations for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.